Hello everyone, welcome back to Research Essentials. In our last video, we discussed 5 AI tools for literature reviews. Today, I will show you how to use Elicit step by step for your research. Elicit is an AI research assistant that helps you search, screen, and analyze academic papers efficiently. To start using Elicit, enter a clear and focused research question into the search box. Elicit then search its indexed databases. Elicit screens and filters the result, helping you focus on the most relevant results. Key findings and important data are automatically extracted, saving you hours of reading. Elicit generates a structured report you can edit and refine. Remember that AI tools like Elicit are designed to support your research, not replace critical thinking. Always read original sources, verify information, and follow your institution's academic integrity guidelines. Misuse or over-reliance can lead to plagiarism or inaccurate research. That concludes the session on literature review with Elicit. Thank you all. Bye-bye.